go toward that road a little bit. Keep going. Right there's pretty good because it'll start going down if we go too far. Man, it looks great. It's so windy up here.
Perfect.
Yeah. Hey, welcome. We made it to Cave Creek, Arizona, out here in the middle of nowhere with some beautiful mountains in the background, getting ready to shoot this awesome 56 Chevy of SIC chops. I'll let him talk about it here in just a second. And I'm sure you're tired of hearing from me, but man, this thing is beautiful. Look at this bed treatment. Just recently won Truck of the Year early nominee from DelMar, so we didn't want to shoot one more vehicle at the fairgrounds and give it a photo shoot it deserves. So sorry for all the wind, but hey, it's Arizona and we're above the mountains, so this is what happens. But we're getting ready to take a few pictures, and hope you all enjoy this video. And it's an awesome truck.
Scott from SIC Chops, what's up?
Now just gotta talk about the truck.
Oh, you want me to talk about?
Yeah,
you want me to talk about that?
Tell you what's all
you want me to talk about that truck right there?
Yeah.
Oh my, where do I start? It's a 1956 Chevy truck that's been sliced, diced, hacked, moved around, shaped around, whatever you want to call it. It's just a cool old custom. Tried to change some things up. We chopped it 1.5 inch, flush mount real glass, uncut. The front end is all unitized. The front fenders are all unitized in the front fenders. The hood's been decked and shaved, and shaved door handles. Remodified bed. Widened the bed sides 3 inches to add a new quarter. Narrowed the fenders 3 inches to put them back in the factory location. All custom tailgate. Crazy custom Ron Mangus interior. Sitting on a roadster shop chassis with a Don Hardy motor. About 850 horse. Custom one-off Colorado custom hubcaps. And Diamondback Classic Redline tires. Crazy bed floor from DelMar products. That's what they use to wrap drum sets with, or put on Fender guitars for, like, make hand picks out of for your guitar. It was a fun build. Started it last February and debuted it in January this year.
And just got Truck of the Year early nomination.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Truck of the Year early.
Yep. Cool. Looking forward to shooting this. Sorry for the wind again, but it's up on the mountain, so that's what we have to deal with. So let me get to shooting this thing.